Dreams are born everywhere, in quiet villages, in bustling small towns, in the hearts of those who dare to see beyond the horizon. Some dream of crossing oceans to study at the world's finest universities. Some dream of building something their town has never seen before. Some dream of giving their family a life they once thought impossible. But dreams, no matter how big, need the right support. This is where the right partner makes all the difference. At BajajCapital, we don't just fund dreams, we fuel them. We strategize, we support, we stand by your side. From towns, cities to the biggest global opportunities, we make the journey possible. Because dreams don't belong to the privileged few. They belong to those who believe. And with the right partner, no dream is too big.